morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. So today we are going to learn how to add mixed fractions. Yesterday we learned what are mixed fractions and how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. Okay. Today we are going to do something different. Since we already know what are improper fractions, today we will learn how to add them together. Okay. So let us take a few examples. All right, and then we will do a we will learn the step-by-step process to add the mixed fractions. Okay, let me take two mixed fractions, 3 1 by 4 plus 2 1 by 8. Now see, children, can we add them just the way it is? No. Let us do one thing. Let me convert this into improper fractions. That I can do very easily. In the first case, I have to take the whole number 3, multiply it with the denominator that is 4 and add it to the numerator that is 1 and group them all together under the common denominator that is 4. Right? Now, in the second case, I have 2 as my whole number. Let me multiply it with the denominator 8. Right? And then add it with the numerator 1 and then divide the entire thing by 8. Okay? Alright. Now let us multiply and add. I get 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. I have 13 by 4 plus I have 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. That is 17 by 8. And children, what is the LCM of 4 and 8? I told you that if we have two numbers and one number is a multiple of another, then the LCM is always the bigger number. So we have to find the LCM. Here I can write that the LCM of 4 and 8 is equal to 8. So I have to write the first fraction in such a way that the LCM is 8. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Okay? 17 by 8 will remain as it is because 8 is the LCM. Since I am multiplying the denominator with 2, I will also have to multiply the numerator with 2. Right? And what will I get, children? 13 multiplied by 2 is how much? 26. I have 26 plus 17 by 8. Add them together under the same denominator. We have done that before. I'll have 26 plus 17. Okay. Now this will be equal to 43 by 8. Right? Now see, children, this is an improper fraction. The last step is to convert the improper fraction into a mixed fraction. For that, I don't have much space, but I think you have learned before that to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, I have to divide 43 by 8. Right? Do it by long division. I know that 8 5s are 40, right? That is all that will go. And how much is the remainder? The remainder will be 3. So 43 by 8 can be written as 5. The whole number, the quotient is the whole number. And then I can write it as the remainder, that is 3 by 8. Okay. So what is my answer? My answer is 5 and 3 by 8. Okay. Let me very quickly go through the process, children. I have two mixed fractions, 3 1 by 4 and 2 1 by 8. The first step is to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. That I do that by multiplying the whole number with the denominator and then add it with 1. I convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay, that is my step 1. Once I'm done with step 1, what I'll do? I will have 2 improper fractions in my hand with different denominators. From here, children, we go back to the process of adding improper fractions. Okay, adding improper fractions or adding unlike fractions. I see that the denominators are not the same. What will I do? I will find the LCM of the denominators. Once I find the LCM of the denominators, I will convert them into equivalent fractions with the same denominator. Okay, once I have the equivalent fractions, children, all I will do is add up the numerators. And after we add up the numerators and see that the numerator is greater than the denominator, there is one more step to be done. They have to be converted into mixed fractions. To convert improper fractions into mixed fractions, we divide the numerator by the denominator. The whole number becomes the quotient, the remainder becomes the numerator, and the dividend becomes the denominator. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Alright children, please look in the board. I just gave 2 very simple real life situations that you ate 1 by half of an orange and your sister ate 2 1/5 of an orange. How much orange did you eat together? Again, I have another question that you did 1/5 of your math homework in the morning and 1/2 in the evening. How much of your math homework did you complete altogether? Okay, please think about the questions, and if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to get back to me. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.